feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Hiccups usually stop within a few minutes to a couple of hours, but if they last more than 48 hours, see a doctor. Long-lasting hiccups might signal nerve irritation or other health issues. If hiccups affect eating, sleeping, or breathing, get medical help right away. Don't ignore persistent hiccups. Checking early keeps you safe and healthy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.